instead of smoke. When they're wet, they won't even fly. Hopefully. And they're not alarmed. Because water is less threatening than smoke. So just nectar. Bees, big fat drones. Drone, big fat drones. So we got gold drones and black drones. So that's good. There's some golden ones. There's some black ones. So that's probably Carnolan, Italian, right there. And these are whatever's mutts. They're all mutts. That was one of the guys on YouTube was showing off his black bees. You know, the New World Carnolians, he says, so local bred.
Pretty crazy.
Pretty cool. All right.
It's like those black chickens that are black through and through.
So normally you want to clean this off. I'm going to leave it on. Again, all nectar. Not a lot of pollen. Well, there's pollen around the edges. Oops. So now we're going to flip the quiet cloth. I learned this from Dave Burns. He suggested that was a great technique. To keep them inside.
Well, they seem pretty chill, but these bees always seem chill.
Alright, so we have a cup, but it was never used for anything. It's empty, it's too shallow, but it's a good start. A little bit of nectar. Oops, squish one. And looking for a queen, looking for eggs. In theory, there's not going to be any up here. It should all be in the bottom. Full of nectar capping at the top there. Full of nectar capping at the top. You know, I've got several frames like this where they got this weird gouge.
Huh.
Ah, it's a drone. Ah! Male bee. You can tell, big giant eyes, big fat body, no stinger. Be fun to take to a bar and freak people out.
Yeah.
Probably get arrested. Terrorism. It's a male bee, sir. It doesn't do that. Place to there, so just get water, pump, spring water, well rinsed, washed with Castile soap, soaked overnight, rinsed and rinsed and rinsed and rinsed. We had bug spraying or something. Should have brought it home. So there's a cup there. Looks like it was used and emerged. And then some interesting color drones, brown and gold, pretty. No eggs though. Yeah. I'll put this half back together. Really carefully. Don't get a bee in my calf. Yep. No, she's in my shoe. I hope not. Okay. Greg's getting a little brave there.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's all fun and games till they light your nose up. So I've had it on the temple a couple times, and that was a little rough. Push these together. Get the cloth this way. Really packed, man. So far we're just seeing nectar. And not a ton of pollen. Alright. Without dropping it. Oh my goodness. As long as you don't squish the bees, like I almost did that one, they generally are cool. Oh, and then I try not to breathe into the hive. CO2 is not something they enjoy. That's their little alarm thing. Oh, there's a creature breathing on us. Attack! Alright, now I'm going to just go ahead and leave this one on here. Like so. Alrighty. And we'll go down. First we'll take a drink. It's important not to be stressed out. So I say, eat a good meal and get hydrated before you go into your hives. Same with traffic before you get in your car. Because anything that gets between you and food becomes a stressor. I think a lot of times that's what happens. People are just hungry. So what do we got on the bottom? Nothing exciting. How many frames? Like 8, 10 frames of bees?
A lot.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. So we hope the queen's not there. The bottom there. So rinse and repeat. Yeah, we live in the hood. Sounds like.
Oh, they were all social distancing in a parking lot. There was like 5 cop cars hanging out in that church parking lot. Maybe it's a siren demo.
Sounds almost like a. Is it a fire? Are they doing a parade? There's some really wet looking pollen. I think that's lax. I don't know. Last year's mess, I don't know. Oh, I got a bee on my thumb. My hand. There it goes. Oh, there it goes. Alright. I'm gonna put this frame back in there. You seem concerned that I have it out. There's an upside down queen cell. How weird is that? Huh. I guess you could call it that, a cup. Oh, there's a lot of heat coming off this. Whew, making me sweat. Of course I'm wearing like straight polyester. Oh my goodness. Alright, so nectar, and there's the queen cell right there. And that's emerged not long ago. See that? So there should be a queen running around in here somewhere. Oh, oh. My thumb right on one. Oh, oh, oh. Open your hands, open your hands. Ow, 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 water. Water. You just gotta watch where you put your fingers. So we don't see any eggs. It's a big giant empty cell. Giant looking drone. Look at the size of that drone, man. walking up to the top here. Dun 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 dun. Well, if there's not a queen, either way, I need to get on to grafting and make some. Because I could split this hive right now like 3 ways. I had to, or even 4 ways. The amount of bees in here and resources. Right, shooting up a little smoke. Again, all nectar. All nectar. Oh, there's a mass that could have been an emergency cell. Alright. Now we're getting to the heart of the matter. In the next 3 frames, you should see something. The idea is to keep your hands open, not like that, when you're holding these frames. So oh, maybe I shouldn't drink carbonated water. It's making me gassy, which means extra CO2. All nectar. I see tons of nectar, lots of drones. Chunk on the bottom. This is an old frame. Come on. Jam full of nectar. Jam full of nectar. Anybody see a queen? Don't see a queen. Don't see a sign of a queen. Like it's been exact, what, 29 days. Or on the 29th, and today is the 16th. That's 2 weeks. Might be a day early, or a few days early. See, I can smell the smoke, so they should be able to smell it. That's this way. Nectar, nectar, nectar. Some dryish cells, so that's kind of a good sign. Nectar, pollen, drones. It's like a drone smorgasbord. Dry cells. Ooh. I think that's a glare. Yeah, it's just a glare. Oh, I saw some eggs, but just glare. So, don't say anything next weekend. I'm gonna, I need to start grafting, like today, these other 2 hives. And if I don't see something the next weekend, hopefully we'll have some queens on the way. Oh my goodness. Nectar, pollen, and nothing. Nectar, pollen, drones. Nectar, pollen, drones. Well, I know where all the drones in the neighborhood hang out, my goodness. So that could mean that, well, if I had a bunch of caproot, I'd say I'd have a drone layer, but there's no caproot, so these are the hatch-outs. They don't want me on that frame. I think we're done. This is the last frame. So, and it's really light. And I got a beam leg. There we go. Nothing. Nothing. So there's Queen. She ain't laying yet. Now we gotta move all these back carefully. Now notice I put this box on backwards. Well, I guess I'll leave it as a happy feet thingy. Oh, I can get a hammer. You can move the tag to the front. Little baby footprints.
Yeah. Yeah, at this point it's been that for a while, so.
Just think it's cute. Okay, so back. So let me get this in. Alright, so supposedly go. Supposed to go down. When you light your smoker really well the whole time, not happy. Hopefully the queen's not here.
Yeah.
So we'll look.
Oh, I could hear the hum has really ratcheted up since we started.
Alright, so yeah. So tiny bit, I'm pushing here. That really makes them mad. You ready?
Yep.
Not happy. Probably stand back when they figure it out. I need to get them to go down inside the hive. That sounds like a swarm, man. crunch. At least one get crunched. Hopefully it wasn't the queen. And now they're thin. I'm going to leave the top off because it's so warm today. Or should I?
I don't know.
I don't know. Huh. Supposedly that also helps regulate.
So insulation works both ways, so
Right.
should help them stay cool also.
Okay. How many dead ones do I got? Sticking halfway up. Getting stuck. Stop open. Yes. Okay, so they're all fanning. I'm not sure. That's the greatest plan. So I hope that doesn't mean like the queen was here and now is missing. So we should probably be careful where we walk.
Yeah, that was almost instant as soon as you moved them from down there down the box.
And that's the part about beekeeping that freaks me out the most. I mean, the stings, yeah, it hurts. Certain one don't want to take it to the face, but damaging the queen just is a huge source of anxiety. And I've been talking to the guy I got the hives from originally, and he's like, just get in there and make mistakes. That's all you can do. You know? So, and he'll have queens for me in July.
Cool. Of course, he'll make money if you make mistakes.
Exactly. If you don't learn how, yeah, you can't learn.
But there's legitimate there. You can't learn something till you've messed up.
Right. Yeah, just have to keep doing it anyway. And so there'll be two things. They'll fan because there's nurse bees that have never been away from the hive. So they'll spread their pheromones. Hey, this is home, this is home, this is home. And then also,
they just now calm down a lot.
yeah.
So I would think you didn't smush anyone important.
Yeah, and it may be that there is a brand new queen in there, and that's why they're getting upset. Because where'd she go? She was right here. All right. So we'll drink more of my CO2-inducing beverage. Sodium bicarbonate, sodium sulfate. So drink too many of these, you get the poos.
Well, I'll wrap this one up
Yep.
and then go from there.